going to use the remote control to get it started. And it turns. And I have a lot of furniture at my place, so and the dog leaves a lot of toys outside. So it transitions to carpet pretty well. Came back from the other room. And it continues to go back and forth. And it pretty much goes into the corners and cleans up also. And heading underneath the furniture. And kind of goes in a systematic manner back and forth. It's cleaning under the coffee table. It's actually maneuvered around my home on the first floor, and it's finally cleaning up the living room as well. And it's done under the couch, under the chairs, now it's under the table. I'm quite surprised it's kind of made its way around the house altogether. And that's actually great because it gets underneath all of the furniture. It's about 2 inches in height, so it's making its way back to our family room. I have a huge first floor, so it does take its time to go around systematically cleaning up everything. And it's finally made its way back from the living room back to the family room. Now I'm using it as a point spot clean. And I'm using the remote control to change the direction, because if you have certain areas that you just want cleaned up, I'm going to press right, right again, so it can get over that area to clean. And then again, left and a left to go underneath the chair. So what I wanted to show here is that you can actually, instead of setting it onto an auto setting, you can actually direct how you want this to clean in what area. So with the remote, you can actually do a spot clean, which is a 3x3 area. And that's an option on the remote here. And you can actually also specify that you want to have just the corners done, and I think this is the button here that it'll just sweep and go towards the corners only. So it'll just hone in on the edges and clean the edges. As you can see, it's cleaning like around the crown molding on the floor and going around the pillows. And I'm going to click that part off. I'm going to turn this back around. Oops, sorry. I'm going to put it on max now. Max actually turns up the level of cleaning. So if you have like a deeper clean that you want to do because your floors are messed up, it can focus on a deeper cleaning. All in all, I love this machine. I have a huge first floor. As you can see back there, all the blocks that you're seeing around the house are for my dog because he kind of gets scared looking at the vacuum. But this has been, I have area rugs around my home, and the transition between the area rugs, everything that I have on the floor, it avoids it. It does a good job picking up, and it's a really good bargain for the money that I spent. I wasn't about to spend $600 to $700 on the comparable iRobot. So I hope this was helpful to anybody who's looking to pick this up. Aligning itself up to go back to home base. Awesome.